To program a speed dial number on a soft key, press and hold an available soft key for 3 seconds. Available soft keys have no display next to the soft key. Use the dial pad to enter the name. You can use the ABC soft key to specify uppercase, lowercase, or numbers. Use the back soft key to erase one letter at a time. When you are finished with the name, press the down arrow and enter the number. Press the down arrow and select the line you want to use when speed dialing this number. When you are finished, press the Save soft key. Notice the speed dial number is now displayed on my LCD screen. Additional information on speed dial is available in a separate tutorial titled 6869i, Personalize, Setup, and Customize.